In this video, I hope to show you something more about the product rule, a little bit more complicated example. I'm going to show you how to take the derivative of y is equal to x squared plus 1 times x cubed plus 1. The product rule, the formula, can be a little bit intimidating, so I'm going to break it apart and show you the individual pieces and how to work with those. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to simplify this equation and then take the derivative of all the pieces instead. But I want to show you how to do the product rule, the point of the video, first. I'm going to let f of x equal to x squared plus 1. And I'm going to let g of x equal to x cubed plus 1. So I'm going to just move x squared plus 1 and x cubed plus 1 into all the spots. Like that. Take a moment and look. All I did was replace the equations for f of x and g of x. I'm going to take the derivative of the g of x, which is x cubed plus 1. I'm also taking the derivative of f of x, which is x squared plus 1. By the way, here's the graph of x squared plus 1 times x cubed plus 1. And whenever we take the derivative, we're always finding the slope of the tangent line at any point. Now I take x squared plus 1 times x cubed, which is 3x squared. So I take the power rule, just to be clear, take the 3 and put it down in front, and subtract 1, which gives me 3x squared. So now I take the derivative of 1, and the derivative of any constant is 0. Now I add x cubed plus 1 times the derivative of all that. So I start with the derivative of x squared, which is 2x to the first power, plus the derivative of 1, again that's 0, derivative of any constant is 0. Now I can get rid of those zeros. Now I begin to simplify a little bit. So I take x squared times 3x squared. So I add those two powers together. Whenever I multiply, add the powers, which gives me 3 times x to the 4th power. I should make that brown. Plus 1 times 3x squared, which gives me 3x squared, plus, so now I take x cubed times 2 times x to the 1st power. Again, I'm going to add the exponents. So it gives me 2 times x to the 4th power, plus 1 times 2 times x to the 1st power, which is 2 times x to the 1st power. Now I begin to combine like terms. There's 2 things to the 4th power, and I add those together, which is 5 times x to the 4th power, plus 3 times x squared, plus 2 times x to the 1st power. So there you have it, and Bob's your uncle. Right there. Now, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to factor the equation, which gives me x to the 5th plus x cubed plus x squared plus 1. Using the power rule, the derivative of x to the 5th is 5 times x to the 4th. Again, using the power rule, the derivative of x cubed is equal to 3x squared. The derivative of x squared is equal to 2 times x to the 1st power, or 2x. So now the derivative of 1 is 0, so I can just scratch that off. The derivative of any constant is 0. So there you have it. It doesn't make a difference which way we go about it. Bob's still your uncle. I put a link to other product rule examples and other calculus examples. Share the knowledge, share the love, Facebook, Google+, and Twitter. Subscribe, like, helps others find the videos, and good luck in your classes.